So now today we should see a new lesson, components of food. Okay, you all know children what are components. Okay, so we are eating different types of food items regularly. Okay, so the different types of vegetables, fruits, cereals and grains we are eating. Okay, in that we are getting so much of energy. Okay, so and good health also. So in that we are getting nutrients. Okay, the way of taking food is nutrition. In that we are getting nutrients in the food which we are taking. Okay, so in that nutrients, what are the main nutrients in the food? Okay, we learned in our last lesson only. Okay, food where we are getting from. Okay, so in that lesson only we know what is nutrients. Let us see a glance about that. Okay, so what are nutrients? The main nutrients. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, or we can say it as lipids, then minerals. Okay, and sixth one we can say it as dietary fibers or water. Dietary fibers or water. Okay, so these are the nutrients we are getting in our food items. Okay, so recall this. Carbohydrates. Okay, so what are carbohydrates? From rice, wheat. Okay, these are all the carbohydrate rich in food items. Okay, then proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals and dietary fibers and water. Okay, these are all the nutrients which we are getting in our food items we are eating, that is vegetables, fruits, cereals and grains also. Okay, is it right, children? Okay, then we are learn about briefly these things. These things we can say it as components of food. This we can say it as components of food which we are getting by eating. Okay, so that is these different components of food and each are required very correct in balance. Okay, so we are containing different types of food. Okay, in that food we are getting different types of nutrients. So all the nutrients we want to energetic. Okay, we do all the activities in our daily life. So we want to do energetic in that activities means we want nutrients. We want energy to do the work what we are doing. Okay, so in that work we are getting different type of energies. Okay, so we want to write also, we want to sit also, we want to walk. For these activities we want energy. Okay, so where we are getting these energies? So by eating different types of food items. Okay, so we know the sprouted food. Okay, the sprouted seeds. What is the sprouted seeds? Sprouted seeds. So what does mean by sprouted seeds? Sprouted. Okay, so we are putting grains into the water for 12 to 14 hours. After we have dried that water and we are close it and we kept aside for 12 hours. So we are seeing the white color patches. It should be coming out from the grains. Okay, that we can say it as sprouts. That we can say it as sprouts. Okay, so in this sprouted food we are getting different type of nutrients. Okay, we are getting so much of nutrients in that. Okay, so that nutrient, what is that nutrient? That is protein. It is mainly we can say it as protein. Okay, so we are eating a grains as it is or boiled. That grains are very difficult to digest in our body, but the sprouted grains are very easy to digest. Why? Because the sprouted seeds are soaked in water. Okay, so that seeds are very healthy. After sprouted seeds, we are eating as it is. Okay, that is not, no need to boil or no need to add any spices in that. After this sprouted seeds, we are eating these, we are getting very easily digested by our body. Okay, so here in this sprouted seeds we are getting more proteins in that. Okay, so then what do different food items contain nutrients? Okay, one example I told, that is sprouted food. Sprouted seeds are giving more proteins to our body. Okay, then examples for carbohydrates. Okay, so carbohydrates we can say it as cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. Okay, then proteins. Okay, proteins I gave, that is sprouted food items and more in dal, egg and so other sprouted foods and meat also. Okay, meat, etc. Then vitamins, you all know so many food items are there. Fruits, vegetables, all we are having vitamins. In all that we are getting vitamins. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Okay, so then fats. You are saying oil food items. Oil. Okay, oils, ghee, butter. From these we are getting fats or lipids we can say. And minerals we are getting from nuts. Okay, etc. These are we are getting the food items. The different food items we are getting the different types of nutrients. Okay, so we are eating rice regularly means we are getting only the carbohydrates. Okay, other than that we are not getting other than this nutrients. Okay, with that rice we are eating vegetables. Okay, we are making a sambar and so many items, so many food items we are making and we are eating with rice. Okay, so with that we are eating fruits and vegetables. We are making vegetable food items means we are getting with carbohydrates, vitamins also. Okay, we are making chapatis. With that we are using vegetables. So we are getting carbohydrates and vitamins also. Carbohydrates and vitamins also. Okay, and with that dal, wheat and chapati and dal we are making means with that carbohydrates and proteins we are getting. Okay, so by these food items we are getting different types of nutrients. Okay, so we can see what is carbohydrates in briefly. So okay, carbohydrates are mostly present, that is mostly it is present as a starch like in food items. Okay, what we are eating. So cereals and pulses, or we are eating rice, chapati. Okay, rice, chapati. These are we are eating means in this we are getting carbohydrates. Okay, so this is present in the form of starch. In the form of starch. Okay, so here we are getting starch by eating rice and chapatis. Okay, so in that we are having carbohydrates. How to know carbohydrates are present in rice or chapati which we are eating? How to know? We are testing the food items which we are eating. How to test? We are using a iodine test. Okay, we are made a iodine test. What is the test? Iodine test. To know carbohydrates are present in the food items which we are eating, it is there or not. Okay, so iodine is a brown color solution. Iodine is a brown color solution. We are adding that solution to the food items, that is rice or chapati which we are eating. Okay, so in that we are adding this solution. That solution should be changes into blue black in color. Okay, blue black in color. So the iodine solution is in brown color. So which color? Brown color. This should be changes into blue black in color. rice or chapati. Okay, so this should be showing in that starch is present or not. What does mean by starch? Starch means it is a carbohydrates. Okay, so now the brown color solution of iodine changes the food items into blue black in color. Now we can say in that food items we can have a carbohydrates. We can have a carbohydrates in that. Okay children. Okay. Now you understood what is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are mostly present in the form of starch in our food items. Okay. So that how to test that starch in food items? We are using a iodine test. Okay. So by iodine test we are showing the food items are having carbohydrates. Okay children. Now the iodine solution. Okay. Iodine test should be done in the form of solution. So iodine solution is brown in color. This brown color solution are added to this rice or chapati. So that should be changes into blue black in color. Okay. Now blue black in color shows the carbohydrates are present in the food items. Understood children? Okay. Now we move on to another one, proteins. Okay, another one, proteins. So what is proteins? So proteins are body building food. Proteins are body building food. Okay. Now we till now we saw carbohydrates. Is it right children? So carbohydrates are giving energy to our body. Carbohydrates are giving energy to our body. So we can say carbohydrates are energy giving food. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Energy giving food. Okay, carbohydrates are energy giving food. As the same we can say proteins are body building food. Proteins are body building food. Proteins are body building food. So why we are saying body building food? It grows muscles to our body. It gives more energy to our body. Okay, they are needed very good health. Okay, so proteins are increasing the muscles in our body. Okay, so it having a single part on an organ. Okay, so where we want it improves. Okay, so proteins are giving. It helps to the growth and repeats of the body cells. Okay, so it repeats, it improves our body cells in our body. So the muscle should be very strong. So we can say it as body building food. Proteins are builds each and every cell. Okay, proteins helps us to grow each and every cell of our body. So we can say it as a body building food. Okay, carbohydrates are energy giving food and proteins we can say body building food. Okay, so how to say? Okay, proteins are present in dal, egg and meat, etc. Okay, so how to test the protein which is present in these food items? Okay, so carbohydrates are we are doing a test, that is iodine test. Okay, by doing iodine test we can say carbohydrates are present in these food items. Now, how to check proteins are there in these food items or not? How to check? We are using a copper sulfate solution and otherwise we can use that is caustic soda. Okay, so caustic soda we are using to test the proteins are there or proteins are present in the food items or not. Okay, how to check? The sample food item we are taking. If you are taking dal or any other items in the form of a solution, okay, paste, in the form of a paste. For that paste, we are adding to copper sulfate or caustic soda solution to the paste of the food items. That food items are changes their color. Okay, what is the color? The resulting color is we are getting purple in color. That should be showing proteins are present in the food items. Okay, so we are taking this food items in the form of paste. Okay, so this paste should be paste food items. So with this we are adding copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate or proteins are there. Okay, the final solution we are getting in the purple color solution. Okay, purple color solution. This should be shows proteins are present in the food items or not. Okay, so carbohydrates we are checking by doing the iodine test, and proteins we are doing by the copper sulfate solution or caustic soda solutions. Okay, so these two are solution in form. Okay, but in the here in proteins the food items should be taken as a paste form. Okay, we are taking in a paste form, otherwise we can't check. Okay, in the form of paste we are taking food items and we are adding these to copper sulfate solution or caustic soda solution, and finally we are getting the color of that. We are taking food items to that should be changes into purple color, so we can say in the proteins are present. Okay, so for this we know the two nutrients, carbohydrates and proteins. Okay, in our next class we can see the other nutrients.